Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make rock candy in one day. First, gather your supplies. You'll need 2 cups of water and 4 cups of granulated sugar. Also, grab a clean glass jar, a string, and a pencil. Don't forget a saucepan, a spoon, and a stovetop. For extra fun, consider adding food coloring and flavor extracts to personalize your candy. Next, let's create our supersaturated sugar solution. Heat 2 cups of water in a saucepan until it reaches a boil. Slowly add 4 cups of sugar, stirring continuously until all the sugar completely dissolves. It's crucial that the solution becomes clear, with no visible sugar crystals at the bottom. Once clear, carefully remove the saucepan from the heat. Now, let's prepare for crystal growth. Tie one end of your string securely to the center of a pencil. Make sure the string is long enough to hang into the jar without touching the bottom. Carefully pour the warm sugar solution into your clean glass jar. Then, place the pencil across the rim of the jar, allowing the string to hang down into the solution. Finally, it's time for the magic to happen. Place your jar in a cool, undisturbed spot. You should start seeing small crystals forming on the string within a few hours. For the best results and larger crystals, allow at least 6 to 8 hours for significant growth. Once your rock candy reaches your desired size, carefully remove it from the solution and let it dry completely before enjoying your sweet creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.